Hey everyone, it's your girl Lola, and let's be real for a sec. Credit scores can feel like a secret code only bankers understand. It's like three numbers have the power to decide your whole life. Kinda dramatic, but also kinda true. But fear not, my financially fabulous friends, because today we're cracking the code and demystifying credit scores. Get ready to level up your financial knowledge, because knowing this stuff is like having a cheat code for life. Let's do this. Okay, first up, let's talk about payment history. This factor is like the queen bee of your credit score, holding the most weight at a whopping 35%. Basically, it's all about whether you pay your bills on time. Every single bill, whether it's your credit card, mortgage, or even your utility bills, they all count. Like, did you pay your credit card bill by the due date? Yes, you're a rock star. And not just your credit card, but all your bills. Consistency is key here. But late payments? Oof, those are like little red flags waving at lenders. Even one late payment can hurt your score, and multiple late payments? That's a big no-no. And trust me, they're all about those green flags, honey. Lenders love to see a clean, on-time payment history. It shows them you're reliable and responsible. Think of it like this. Every on-time payment is a love letter to your credit score. It's like you're saying, hey, I'm trustworthy, you can count on me. And the more love letters you send, the higher your score soars. It's a beautiful relationship, really. The more you nurture it, the better it gets. So, pro tip from yours truly. Set those payment reminders, automate that shizzle, and never miss a due date. Use technology to your advantage. Set up automatic payments or reminders on your phone. Your credit score will thank you later. And remember, a good credit score opens doors to better interest rates, loans, and even job opportunities. So, keep those payments on track and watch your financial future brighten. Next up, we've got credit utilization, which sounds super complicated, but is actually pretty simple. Imagine your credit limit is like a pizza. I know, I'm hungry too. Credit utilization is how much of that pizza you're actually eating. Eating the whole thing? That's like maxing out your card, and it's not a good look for your credit score. Ideally, you want to keep your credit utilization below 30%, which is like 2 or 3 slices of pizza. See? Totally manageable. Keeping your credit utilization low shows lenders you're responsible and not drowning in debt. So, next time you're tempted to buy those designer shoes, ask yourself, do I really need another slice of pizza? Now let's talk about the age-old wisdom of credit history. This factor is all about how long you've been rocking the credit game. Think of it like this. The longer you've had credit, the more experience you have. And experience is always a good thing, right? Lenders love to see a long and positive credit history because it shows you're responsible and know how to manage your money over time. So that old credit card you've had since college, don't close it. Even if you don't use it much, it's adding valuable time to your credit history and boosting your score. Vintage is always in style, darling. Chapter 4. Credit Mix. Spice up your life. Just like your life is more fun with a little spice, your credit mix benefits from some variety too. This factor looks at the different types of credit you have, like credit cards, student loans, mortgages, or auto loans. Having a mix of credit shows lenders you can handle different types of debt responsibly. It's like having a diverse portfolio of skills. It makes you more well-rounded. But remember, you don't need every type of credit to have a good score. Just focus on managing the credit you do have responsibly and building a positive history. Chapter 5. New Credit Slow Your Roll. Okay, picture this. You're at a party and every time you turn around, you're meeting someone new. The room is buzzing with energy and you're trying to keep up with all the introductions. It can be a little overwhelming, right? You start to feel like you can't keep track of all the names and faces. That's kind of what applying for new credit is like for your credit score. Each new application is like meeting a new person at that party. Every time you apply, it triggers a hard inquiry, which is basically a lender checking your credit history. It's like someone at the party asking for your life story, and too many hard inquiries in a short period can make your score dip a little. Imagine if everyone at the party started asking you personal questions all at once. It would be too much. It's like, whoa, slow down there, buddy. Your credit score needs a breather. Are you sure you can handle all these new relationships? Each new credit line is a commitment, and you need to be ready for it. So my advice? Don't go on a credit card application spree. It's tempting to apply for multiple cards to get those sign-up bonuses, but it's not worth the hit to your credit score. Only apply for credit when you really need it, and make sure it's the right fit for you. Do your research and choose wisely. and space out your applications to minimize the impact on your score. Think of it as pacing yourself at the party. You don't need to meet everyone at once. Take your time, and your credit score will thank you. By being mindful and strategic, you can maintain a healthy credit score and still get the credit you need. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Chapter 6. Bonus Round Credit Inquiries, Hard versus Soft. All right, bonus round time. Let's dive into the world of credit inquiries and understand the difference between hard and soft inquiries. This knowledge can be crucial for managing your credit score effectively. Let's talk about credit inquiries. These are checks performed by financial institutions or other entities to review your credit history. They play a significant role in your overall credit health. There are two types, hard inquiries and soft inquiries. Understanding the distinction between them can help you make informed decisions when applying for credit. Hard inquiries are like a full-on background check. They occur when you apply for new credit, such as a mortgage, car loan, or credit card. These inquiries are recorded on your credit report and can impact your credit score. They happen when you apply for a loan or credit card, and they can ding your score a little. Typically, a hard inquiry can lower your score by a few points, but multiple hard inquiries in a short period can have a more significant impact. Soft inquiries, on the other hand, are more like a sneak peek. These occur when you check your own credit or when a company checks your credit for pre-approval offers. Unlike hard inquiries, soft inquiries do not affect your credit score. They happen when you check your own credit or a company pre-approves you for an offer. Soft inquiries are not visible to potential lenders, so they don't impact your ability to get new credit. Soft inquiries don't affect your score at all, so you can check your credit as often as you like. Regularly monitoring your credit can help you stay on top of your financial health and catch any errors or fraudulent activity early. It's like looking in the mirror. It doesn't change your reflection, but it's good to know what you're working with. By understanding the difference between hard and soft inquiries, you can better manage your credit and make smarter financial decisions. And there you have it, folks. The mystery of credit scores solved. Remember, your credit score is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, but the important thing is to stay informed, make responsible choices, and keep those credit scores soaring high. Thanks for tuning in, my financial friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial wisdom coming your way. Until next time, stay fabulous. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances. See you next time.